Many business owners come to me and say they have an account, a Google Ads account, and when they try to scale it, it just becomes unprofitable and they lose money. So the answer is to get more control of your Google Ads account. That way you can kind of predict your growth, and then you can have profitable growth, okay? The issue is that when you're in a certain, smaller level or lower level, right, you have a lot of unpredictability. Google's matching you to terms that are irrelevant, right? So your variant, one day is good days, bad days, and it might be good enough for you to be profitable to scale, but the problem is spending extra $10 here, as you scale, it's extra $100 here, right, waste, and then extra $1,000 there, which is not sustainable, right? So the whole solution is, if you add negative keywords to match the right search terms, right, you slowly decrease the variance. You're not matching those bad terms in the outliers, right? Don't try to perfect your account. Just try to get it to take out the outliers. As you do that, you have more predictable changes, and once you're in a certain range that's more controlled, that you can start controlling it and then pointing it upwards and scale profitably. So you can do that with your search terms, with controlling your bids, and then that's the only way to scale. So if you're doing okay at a lower level but too much variance, it's still not good enough to really grow your business.